This is REALME V60 Pro, and today I'll show how you can copy your contacts from SIM to the device storage. So first you will need to find and launch the Contacts app. Here, as you can see, my device contacts are non-existent, so I have none, while my SIM card has a few of them. So if you would like to move all of the contacts you have saved on the SIM card to the device storage, the easiest way to do that is by opening the Organize tab, then click Manage SIM. Make sure that all of your SIM card contacts are selected, then press the Import button, and as you can see, all of the contacts have been imported successfully. If you would like to, do that for the selected few contacts, all that you gotta do is, unselect some of them. So unselect the contacts you do not want to move or copy or transfer, and only then press Import. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye-bye.